Eco Magic Art. Magic Hat. Kids, let's see what we are drawing today. Wow! It's a penguin. Let's start the outline with a black color. First, let's draw the penguin's body. Let's draw penguin's feet. Time to make our penguin's face. First, we will draw penguin's beak. Now, let's draw penguin's cute shiny eyes. For eyeballs, we will use white color. It's coloring time. For body, we will use gray color. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
We will use same gray color for penguin's wings. Looking awesome already.
Awesome!
Orange color for the feet. We will use same orange color for penguin's beak. Pink color for penguin's mouth. Wow, kids! We have completed our drawing. Great job, little artists! Kids, do you know that penguins are amazing swimmers? They stay warm in icy climates because of their thick feathers.
Wow!
Kids, let's play with this penguin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun drawing adventures. Keep creating magic. See you next time.